microscope, its parts and their uses. Can anyone please tell me the uses of microscope? Why we need microscope?
We need microscope to see the microorganisms which cannot be seen with naked eyes.
Okay. You are raising hand, say.
With this microscope we can see the smallest microorganisms.
Yes. How many types of microorganisms?
There are 3 types of microorganisms. First, simple microorganism, microscope. Second, combined microscope, and third, electronic microscope.
Now tell me types of microorganisms. Algae,
Bacteria, protozoa, bacteria, viruses.
10 5 minutes. Srishti.
There are 5 types of microorganisms. First, viruses, protozoa, algae, bacteria, and
Fungi. Now I am going to explain you the parts of microscope. So there are 3 types of microscope. Number 1 is simple microscope, second is compound microscope, and last is electron or electrical microscope. So today we are going to study about compound microscope. This is compound microscope. So this last it is known as base. This is handle or pillar that is used for holding the microscope. This is body tube. Okay, so this is base, this is handle or pillar for holding, this is body tube. Now here are knob for adjustment. So you can do in out or zoom in by using this. In this body tube you can place eyepiece for seeing the specimen. So I am having this eyepiece here. So this is eyepiece, you can put it in here, and by putting it you can see the specimen which is present on the stage or platform. This is known as stage or platform where you are going to keep the slide. Now this is slide holder. You can keep this here and you can keep slide on this stage or platform, and this is slide holder. Okay, this is eyepiece. These are the objective lens. These are objective lens. You can revolve it. Okay. Now last one is mirror for reflection. So by mirror light gets reflected. Here objective lenses are there, and this is eyepiece. So reflection happens and you can see the details of microorganisms in this compound microscope. I am going to revise it once again. After that someone will come here and you are going to tell me the parts of microscope. Okay. So this is base. This is stage or platform where you are going to keep the slide of specimen. This is handle or pillar. This is body tube. This is eyepiece. These are adjusting knobs. You can do zoom in and zoom out by using this. These are objective lens. You can revolve it like this. And here lastly is present mirror. In middle, what is there? In middle, between the eyepiece and mirror, platform, below platform, condenser. Okay. So Sam, will you please tell me the names? What is this?
This is the lens.
Yes.
You can put here and see. This is the body which can be hold, and this is the holder,
Slide holder.
and this is the platform which can be used to put the specimen and see through this, and this is the base, and this is the content.
Mirror for reflection. Okay. So this is basic about the parts of the microscope. Later we are going to study about specimens and microorganisms.